time as you see fit to let me go from this bond that is neither chain nor stone but a home grown deep beneath the snow, and we shall be shielded by the self-same spell that barred the holy door, and the power wielded in our hands so small and so unknown. I sought the fountain of youth, and we shall be shielded by the self-same spell that barred the holy door, and the power wielded in our hands so small and so